So just going to show you what we do here for wontons. I bought a loin, I cut it up in little pieces and I ground it, but of course you can buy your ground pork. I just found it cheaper this way. Once I had it, I put some salt, pepper, and sesame oil in, and some pepper and some green onions and minced garlic. I let that sit for a few hours. And then we get ourselves some wontons, wonton wraps. They come in a package. And then I just warm water, do all the corners, take a little chunk, put them in there like that, fold them up, squeeze the edges, and do them like that. Okay, just squeeze the tops. Put them on a cookie sheet, put them in the freezer, and away you go. And another thing we do here is, these are baby bok choy. So what we like to do is I just stick the finger right in there, make a little pocket, and I take some of the ground pork and I just stuff them in there. And normally, since I don't have it, I use an elastic band and I close it up with elastic band, but I don't have any. So we just lay them in like that. You'll find the center, make a little pocket, and fill it up with some pork. And it just, you're getting your vegetables, and it looks kind of cool. And then I just would put elastic band around it, cook it, of course, make sure you don't forget to take the elastic band off. And this is what the wonton wraps look like. You get a big stack. And then just peel them off. It just takes time. Make sure you don't have two in there. And the warm water is the trick. Go around. Pack it in there. Like that. Squeeze it. And 2 packs will give you about roughly, I'd say almost 150 wontons. And this is our second pack. So, and then we'll let them freeze. And then when we make the broth, we just add, I don't know, about 6 cups of water and some sesame oil in there, salt, pepper, veggies, and we got our bok choy, baby bok choy. You can use the big bok choy as well, some peppers and broccoli. So it's like a war wonton, and away you go. And it's all about taste. It depends how much you want to put in there. I don't measure much anything, but the sesame oil, probably, I don't know, about a half a bottle of sesame oil, a small bottle. Salt and pepper to taste. Of course, you can't taste until it's cooked, but just go on your own discretion. And that's it. That's how we do them. Like and subscribe. Thanks, guys.